we are gonna do a renovation of the normal office. Let's see when everyone arrives tomorrow, because now we've been just us three the whole day. Eventually, like, no one from the team works on Sundays. See you in a second. Holy shit. And someone did try to break in. Such a horrible feeling. Let me do just a walk around to see if there is no one inside. So update a few minutes later. I think it has been 20 minutes. Time flies like crazy. We call the police. Eventually, when people try to break into places, they first slam the door, try to slam it, which they did. They threw a big rock right through the window, and they see if there's any reaction. And if there is no reaction, we're not going to leave the office right open, because eventually now almost anyone could come in. So what we're going to do is wait. Yeah, now it's 3:15, so yeah, but not easy. And I can tell you, this is not a good feeling. Like, it is definitely one of the recent most weird experience I've had, like, literally. So we might as well secure the door ourselves. You know how to fix anything. You even know how to fix broken doors. That looks solid. What time is it? 6. Oh, okay, 6:10. Eventually, we will not leave, as we said. So yeah, and then we can actually be here when the whole team arrives, and then to show them the progress and be stoked about it. And eventually, it's also the first time we're doing a sleepover in the office, which is pretty fucking sick. Boom. It's always cool to see the positive things in life. So now, good night. Oh my god. A few hours of sleep, or minutes, I don't know. Lusant woke up an hour ago. He's like crushing it. I could hear, but I could not wake up. First thing first, let's get some breakfast. Breakfast is here! Finally, after all those hours of being starving and not being able to order food, breakfast is here. Wow, holy moly. Come on in!
Dude, what the
I mean, now it's safe.
It's safe. Wow.
But don't look at this.
All right, focus on the good.
Yeah, focus on the good.
Wow! Are you kidding? The whole thing? What?
The entire...
Oh my god. How did you guys do that yesterday?
We had Ortega and Oscar.
This guy, Mr. Inspiration. Oh my god.
What?
Hello.
Hello. Welcome
wow,
back.
Thank you. But wow, the floor. Oh, nice.
So like soundproof panel for the podcast.
Wow.
That's fucking insane.
That's the type of reaction I wanted to see.
What? No way!
Okay, we have to do a little surprise.
Yeah?
Can I give you this as a little reward of staying overnight with me during that fucking horrible time?
Absolutely.
And for the kick-ass work that you have done and all the effort you've put into, like, I mean, he's already like writing to the light person to try to figure out what light system we can have. And yesterday when you were outside fixing the doors in a hoodie, freezing cold at 0 degrees, I was like, fuck. And then I know we have that's the new vest that we had.
Yeah.
So this is like gonna beat any sort of coldness. So
Super cool.
try it on.
In the next break-in.
This is and I wear the vest because it's so thick that even at 0 degrees you can actually be wearing this and feel comfortable in it.
Super thick and nice.
Thanks. so much more. Massive thanks, guys.
No, thank you.
The reason why we stayed overnight is because I was like, I'm going home. It's already midnight. I'm done with this. Like, it has been a fucking long weekend. And he's like, no. I've plastered the second layer. I send it off. We just have to wait that everything dries and we can start painting. And I'm like, and he kept on like, no, let's do it because I want to see everyone's reaction when everyone arrives tomorrow. And I was like, can we do it tomorrow morning? And if he would have left, the break-in would have actually happened. I would have probably have my camera being stolen, computer, my like everything.
And moving forward, don't worry, we won't keep any computers here.
No, exactly.
Or camera here.
We will not. Or we will have the best alarm system in the world. So yeah. Today's mission, we have Simon here from Norlux, and we have been, I mean, eventually, look at this. I don't even have to say anything except look at this. This is how it is right now. We have no lights. I mean,
What are you talking about? Yeah, we have these perfect ones. Oh, it's
it doesn't even work. I mean, this room has absolutely horrible, shitty lights. So that's when Ocean brought in Simon from Norlux, and we started to look into like really nice looking stuff. And I'm gonna show, he's just presented us a really nice presentation of what he thinks would be nice for the space. I think this whole project went way too crazy compared to what we expected at first, but also time-wise, because we only have roughly 1 week until the event, the pop-up event is gonna happen next Saturday. I mean, I love all of those ideas, and I'm gonna show a few renders. Yeah, it looks super sick. But is this actually doable in 1 week? Like, prep everything, drill everything, make everything ready, and he would just have to do the electricity part. Like, and then you said you and oh, no light anymore. Yeah. My light died. Is that a sign? It is. Imagine the conference room, I mean, which is going to be more of a studio now, studio photo shoot, where you could like actually tweak and change colors with like, you take your phone and just like, oh, I want a red ambience today when I shoot. The renders just look so sick. We have to figure out a way. Okay, so as things are getting pretty good in here, let's go and get some shopping done. Go back on Bauhaus and see what accessories and stuff we can buy. Okay, this was a bit of a fail. I'm just testing the Wi-Fi actually right now. We need Wi-Fi in this entire space, like especially in the office there, and we've been literally struggling. And like when I want to upload a video on YouTube, it is just such a struggle. I just tested it now. It's 6 megabytes download and 2 megabytes upload. I guess we have to find a solution for that. This is gonna be nice. We're gonna have a lot of new stuff. I mean, the conference room is like gonna be like the most futuristic room in Stockholm in terms of lighting. So we're gonna place everything back because we've been living in such a mess. Let's get a good vacuum clean going on. This place is gonna look like back with our furniture. And look at our space. This is how it was before. I mean, we already had the couch, as I said, as you can see on this Instagram photo. But yeah, I mean, now with all the details and soon maybe the lighting, this is gonna be money. And also, we got a solution for the Wi-Fi, which was a very quick turnaround. Thanks to Gustav from Jomanida. He's the internet specialist here in Stockholm. And thank you so much for coming that fast and fixing our trouble. This is quite satisfying. It's the first time I see all the freaking bars. First of all, if it's more than 6 megabytes, oh my god, okay. Now we are talking. So now we have no excuse to have late videos on YouTube, I guess. If you guys need any help Wi-Fi wise and you're in Stockholm, please contact them. And as I say again, with everyone that came and helped us, you will have all the info down in the description. Nice, Elaine. Brushing it with a baseball being black. You know something else that is black? It's the ceiling of the conference room. I say conference room all the time, but this is gonna be a studio, photo shoot studio. So yeah, the ceiling has been painted entirely in black. Anders took that lead with the spray paint. I mean, do you even remember how it looked before? This is how it looked before and back to and after. I mean, this is insane. Ocean took the lead and installed the sound panels. Now that we placed some sound panels, it finally sounds good. I can show you the before as well. Before, and this is how it sounds with no panels on top. And this is the after. So much better, right? I mean, the echo is almost inexistent now. I mean, just a tiny bit. And as you saw before, we were discussing with Simon from Norlux to check out if we could install some proper lighting in here, because that would improve the room by, I mean, this is gonna actually be ridiculous. Now, I guess let's just wait until the lights arrive. And look, what arrived? That was a quick delivery. It feels like Christmas today. A pile of Norlux lighting situation. We have everything from the tracks, we have some spotlights, we have some zoom spotlights, we have some big square panels. We need to do a proper unboxing, but this is gonna be a lot of light to take out, so let's make it quick. Are you guys ready? How satisfying was this motion lapse? Now we have everything out, and oh my god, this is a big amount of light. So first of all, most of the lights are going to be attached to tracks. Tracks are the lines we can attach on the ceiling. It's 3-phase tracks, and we can plug all the lights as you can see here, and the big ones in the middle there. And these ones that we picked are the small zoomable lights, so we can have some placed in different corners to really light up a few different areas of the room. The small ones are going to go in the main living space, and as well as the office room, and the big ones are gonna go in here with the square panels, and these are usually mounted with a black frame like this, if I'm correct, RGB panels. So we're gonna be able to control not only the intensity but also the color of this panel, which is gonna be so sick in that room. That's also why I say that this room is gonna be my favorite one. And then we have some recessed lights that are gonna be placed in the entrance hallway. These long LED, which are actually gonna go right above the desks in the office room. And the 2 round ones, sorry, I forgot about these ones, this one and this one, are gonna go straight to the podcast studio on the ceiling.
No, you're gonna have this one.
Why are you like leaning over? I don't get it.
It's so annoying. I feel like Quasimodo here.
Quasimodo.
In a track. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
You ready?
Yeah!
Let's get ready to rumble!
It's so dusty. Holy shit. We can't see anything because of the amount of dust. There is no better sound than Nils Oskar on the supercutter at 10 in the evening. That's the sound of success. Let there be light! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Holy that's a proper evening. Now it's 10:30 and the light is finally shining. Nice. Yeah. Good evening again. Good evening. Successful evening.
Yeah.
Hey, good to see you. Hello.
Hey, good
Annie,
to see you.
Bjorn's wife, is taking care of all the decoration, plants and everything. So
I barely made it here.
okay, but you made it.
I made it.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, let's get all the plants now. If you don't have plants at your place, you need to get plants. This makes absolutely the entire vibe of a home or an office. Let's go flatten this one. From Annie's expertise in plants. So you need to place these ones in the bottom of the pot, and then you place your plant, and then you put some fresh dirt, and the plant should survive. And this is for to lift a bit the plant off the water, so it's not like getting too moisty in the bottom.
Like your plants.
Like my plants at home. Show me your hand. Close, perfect. High five.
High five.
Number 1, perfect position.
Okay.
Second one, perfect. Yeah, oh yeah, but in the meantime,
Everything.
perfect. Mission success. Oh, yo, yo. Who do I see? Parrot go in the front. And what is going on in here? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I haven't seen them together before.
No, it's the first time they're all reunited. Plus that big van with the logos. How sick. I managed to paint the wheels in black.
Important.
But yeah, in 2 days we have the pop-up slash. We're gonna show you guys the office. Anyone is invited to come. Today is Thursday, so the pop-up is happening on Saturday. So we thought that it would be a cool opportunity to reunite the entire family with all the cars. With Yanis G, Jones RS6, Jones McRyan, Jones Ross, and then the big van. Let me actually swing back to yesterday when I got this done at Rap Zone. And you know what that means. So if you follow the vlog from Yoon over the past years, you're probably familiar with Andreas from Rap Zone here. And now we got this beautiful Mercedes Sprinter for the next week because we need to like gather a bunch of clothing to bring it to the office and do a lot of fun stuff, and we need a lot of space. So we're gonna not wrap actually because it's already black, but we're gonna cover it with some nice stickers. We're gonna have Cinemat logo here and a QR code to tease for the pop-up. Thank you again also Martin from Mercedes Hauglandsbil, if I pronounce it correctly, for hooking us up with this brand new Mercedes. That was very nice of you. We already have one QR code in the back. Let's see how this looks in 3, 2, 1. Nice, look at this. The QR code, Cinemat 11/11, the day before my birthday, and the pop-up day as well. How sick. Now it's Tuesday, so we're gonna have like 5 days of driving around, and then this is gonna be packed right in front of the pop-up. Thanks so much, Andreas. Good to see you. See you next time. And now back to the office. It's only 2 days left. There's a lot of stuff still to be done in the office. This is gonna be fun. This is really gonna be fun.